In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Calendar in Microsoft Planner. If you use Microsoft Planner to manage tasks and deadlines, the Calendar view can be a really helpful way to see everything laid out by date. Instead of only looking at tasks in a board format, you can quickly understand what's coming up and when work is scheduled. This is especially useful if you want a more time-based view of your plan. To begin, open Microsoft Planner and go to your plan board. This is the main board for the specific plan you want to work with. If you're already inside Planner, just make sure you're viewing the correct plan before moving on. The board view is typically where tasks are organized into columns or buckets, so this is the right starting point. Once you're on your plan board, take a look near the top of the screen for the available view options. Microsoft Planner allows you to switch between different ways of looking at your tasks, and one of those options is the calendar view. This feature helps you visualize tasks according to their scheduled dates, making it easier to track due dates and upcoming work at a glance. Now, click on Calendar. As soon as you select it, Planner will switch from the board layout to the calendar layout. In this view, tasks with dates assigned to them will appear on the corresponding days. That makes it much easier to spot deadlines, busy periods, and gaps in your schedule without opening each task one by one. If you don't immediately see tasks in the calendar, keep in mind that only tasks with dates assigned will show up there. So if a task doesn't have a start date or due date, it may not appear in this view. That's something to remember if your calendar looks emptier than expected. The calendar view is a great option when you're planning your week, reviewing deadlines with a team, or simply trying to stay organized. It gives you a more visual way to manage your workload compared to the standard board. And that's all it takes to view your calendar in Microsoft Planner. Start from your plan board, click Calendar, and you'll be able to see your tasks arranged by date. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how you track and manage your work.